डिज़ाइन किया यहाँ पर एग्जीबिशन। हमारे साथ मौजूद है एम्बेसडर साइप्रस से, समझते हैं इनसे कैसे इनको महसूस कर रहे हैं। How do you feel about it? Hi sir, how are you? His Excellency.
Very well. Thank you very much. So we are enjoying this beautiful exhibition today with many artists that have the paintings here today in Manama. We get to see a glimpse of the beauties of Bangladesh and of Dhaka. It's a remarkable exhibition that is hosted here in Bahrain. And I want to congratulate the Embassy of Bangladesh and the Ambassador of Bangladesh here in Bahrain. This exhibition comes at a very right time when we really need culture. We really need events like this to showcase the diversity and what culture can do to unite people and really heal wounds and bring people together. It's a very beautiful exhibition. All the paintings, all the artists are really have really transpired us to view and to realize and visualize Bangladesh and Dhaka and all the regions of Bangladesh.
First time Pak News covering you from Pakistan. Tell me something about Cyprus, a beautiful city of Cyprus. What is the specialty there? One or two things about it.
Oh, Cyprus has a lot of beauty. It's a historical island with thousands of years of history, of archaeology, cultural heritage. It's an island in the Mediterranean with beautiful beaches, mountains. It's only 3 hours away from Bahrain. You can enjoy serene beaches, blue waters, the cleanest beaches in Europe, mountains, fresh air, amazing food, and I have said a deep dive in history and archaeology.
Thank you very much for giving your time.
Thank you.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज।